Hey yogis, welcome back. It's me, Allison. I'm here in my little home shala and I thought we would do something a little different today. A little unboxing. I got this package from Shamans Market. I don't know what's inside, but they wanted to send me stuff. I said sure. And I thought it'd be fun just to unbox this together. I'm hoping that there's some stuff in here I can use in my ceremonies and rituals for the upcoming full moon. So let's get into it. Let's see what we got. Ooh, some pretty presentation. Packed with love by Brett with a little happy face. Love the personal touch. So first reaction just to the packaging. Doesn't seem like there's really any plastic being used. I think these are those biodegradable packing peanuts that if you get them wet, they just dissolve. So that's great. Ooh, there's a lot of really wonderful aroma coming off of this. Here's a little box inside. Oh my. Whoa. Some incense cones. Ooh, this one is eucalyptus. There's a whole bunch. Palo Santo. Oh my gosh, they sent me so much. This is 7 Andean herbs incense cones. Rosemary. I love using rosemary around Samhain or anytime I'm in a remembering space. And then finally this little bundle. It's it looks like handmade ceramic disc for the incense cones. Awesome. Here's another little box that I'm thinking probably has matches in it. It has a little stripe bar here. Orange matches. Oh, and that's it. So they sent me a nice set of incense cones. Let's try one, shall we? I'm going to start with, I think, the eucalyptus, because I don't think I've ever smelled eucalyptus incense. Oh, wow. So these are more like incense cylinders. I guess you could stand it up. And the incense is it kind of reminds me, it's not sawdust, but there is little particles coming off of it. Let's light this up. Oh, very nice. I feel like sometimes with incense, it can feel a little harsh in my nostrils. Just over scented, if that makes sense. This is not that. It's very mellow, but I can definitely get the eucalyptus, and there's also some bits of green in here, which I assume is just dried eucalyptus. So that's super nice. And I guess you could just stand it on your little holder. So I'll definitely put these to good use as I'm teaching, as I'm doing some ritual work tomorrow for the full moon. I'm gonna let this burn. It also seems like it's gonna be a nice even burn, and I feel like it's gonna stay lit. Sometimes incense is so tightly pressed or packed that air can't circulate and it goes out, but I don't think that's gonna be the case with these. It's a really nice scent. It kind of reminds me a little bit of fall. So that's it. Thanks for joining me for this little full moon unboxing. I'll leave a link to the items below. I'll try to find them on the site and link to them below. You can use my code The Time Being to get 10% off of your purchase. And yeah, big thanks to Shamans Market for sending me such lovely little presents. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell so you don't miss any upcoming moon phase yoga flows. I'll also link to my Patreon below if you want to check that out. That's another really great way to support me and my content. Thank you again for being here. I love you. Namaste.